guys, welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. This is Michelle. Hello! This is another episode of Pouring Coast to Coast. And I got to pick the challenge for this week, and I decided I would pick a pearl pour. I am also going to do a couple of things that are a little bit different. I did my edges in black around where I want to keep it dark, and then the edges in white. I'm going to be doing a pearl pour with colored bases. This is a blue black that I created. This is anthracnone. Whoa, Wilbur, they're really they're really full. Anthracnone blue, and I put a little black in this as well, just to darken it up. And I think all of them have a little bit of black. You're working with colors that are not opaque. To make them opaque, you put a little bit of black oxide or white, depending on what hues you're going for. This is golden phthalo turquoise. And the other two colors were made with Amsterdam, which is available through Floetrol.co. They have got some wonderful, they've got everything. It's one-stop shopping. Okay, this is Modern Masters. These are my puddle paints. This is Modern Masters in Pearl White, Modern Masters in Iridescent Gold. I'm sorry, this is Iridescent Pearl White. This is Modern Masters in Champagne. And you can see the consistency is very thin. This is Amsterdam Raw Sienna. This is Amsterdam Permanent Violet Dark and Permanent Violet Light mixed together. Oh, geez. This is, I got some on there already. This is Color Art in Playful Peony. And this is Color Art in Jasmine. So let's see if these colors look okay together. I have no idea. This is all kind of new to me, so I don't usually use colored bases. Oh, I also have a white base too. Ta-da! Okay. Oh, these are really full. Let's see how it goes. And then the turquoise. And I'm just going to take a stick. I'm going to put these aside because I'm sure I'm going to use them on another one. There we go. And I'm going to add my white. Right here. There we go. Okay, now the fun stuff. Okay, here is my pearl. Iridescent Pearl White. And my gold. champagne. And raw umber. There's a lot of paint on here. And I'm going to put this in 2 different places. It's almost like a, oh, I can't believe I went through that already. It's almost like a, geez Louise, I can't speak. It's almost like quinacridone magenta. Oh, jasmine. It needs more water. I don't even think I put water in it. Whoopsie. These bottles are from Floetrol too, and they're pretty handy. Yeah, that's better. This could end up being a whole mess and not even make it. To YouTube. Okay. Lots of paint. Fix it. More base. I know it's probably not good to do this, but more base. Like I need more paint. Duh. I'm going to go right over it. See what happens. Don't want to lose all the bottom like I did before. Back and forth, back and forth. Oh, I'm getting some pearls. Oh, I'm glad I did that. Oh, I'm really glad I did that. Still lots of paint on here. Gotta make sure you get enough off so the pearls have a chance to pop through. And I lost the bottom again, that's okay. Looks much better. Oh, I've got a puddle on the floor. I hope I'm recording. Yeah. Well, the turquoise did not show up. Or maybe it will. See how vertical I'm tilting this, guys? You gotta do that to get the right result. Oh my. Oh yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna fiddle with it. I'm going to put you guys on time lapse after I get all this paint off my hands. And away we go. Okay guys, so I'm so happy with this. I'm so glad I scraped that part and did it over right here. This is so cool. I love that lacing. This could have had a little bit more lacing. Don't know what happened there. This gold is golden iridescent gold high flow. I am liking this. So let me know. I filmed it in portrait, but I kind of like it in landscape. Let me know what you guys think. And check out the other girls. Up next is Amber Goodwin. Please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe. Ciao for now.